Welcome to the Instagram realm. It's crucial to recognize that the road to success is laden with challenges. Growing an Instagram business page is no small feat. From crafting the perfect logo to curating eye-catching content, finding the right hashtags, and even managing customer interactions. AI tools contribute to the growth of businesses on Instagram by enhancing performance and efficiency. Their speed and accuracy are vital for staying competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Making use of AI is a necessity for businesses aiming to maximize their technological potential. And guess what? We've crafted the ultimate playlist on our YouTube channel, a step-by-step guide from 0 to 100. Stay tuned for more details on talar.tech.